Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We will continue our learning. In the video before, we had we 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 were built an animation like this animation, slide animation from the up to the bottom. Okay, we will show the animation that we had created before. Okay, sorry for the noise of the video because I'm in situation that I would like I would like. Okay, we have to wait until the installation is done. Okay. And for the FYI, this is need an internet to running our app and to running our code. Okay, we just check the slide from the bed and login. Okay. Okay, the slide is running correctly. After that, we have to create a new animation. Like we have to right click on the anim folder. After that, we have to upload the new, and then we have to create a new animation resource file. Then we have to give it a name of file like it's up to you or whatever you want. So I wanna give it a name with slide underscore bottom because the animation will appear from the bottom, slide from the bottom, and then we have to click OK button. Okay, in this resource file, okay, if you don't understood what I do, you can you have to see my video in my channel before because this is the follow-up video from the video before. Okay, and in the previous video I have explained to you all how to make step by step and from the 0 step, and then this is the advanced video if you have followed my video before. Okay, after that we just create an alpha. Okay, this is for set an opacity of our object, like in like from the come of my object, he will disappear, like he will never takes shape, and from 0, like it there never was, and then he will appear in the 1.0. Okay, this is from the disappear to appear. Like this. and then we just create a tag alpha from alpha 00 to alpha 1 whatever. Okay, before that, if you don't trust me, this is the opposite of the object. We can change, or we can reverse the value, like this is made by 0.0, and then this is 1.0. Okay, we can check. So the button will appear. After that, it will disappear. Okay, we have to wait for gradual building. Okay, from appear to disappear. Okay, if we click the button, it will uh, show it from, but when in the end, he will mm, oh he will disappear from the start, and the end he will show the forms. Okay, we have to back setting. Okay, after we have setting the opacity, we can uh, click translate. Um, Honestly, I don't know what the tag is used, but we just follow the listen, and then uh, if if we want to make it appear from the bottom, we have to do a reverse, like from that. Like this is y delta. Y is like a horizontal line, so y delta and minus minus 100 is just running from the above to bottom, and if we give it to the positive, or like a positive integer, he will appear from the bottom to the top. And then we have to give it from y delta 100 to the 0. Okay, like the Cartesian, like a Cartesian chart, the zero positive integers effort is on the bottom, but the minus integers is the top of the diagram. And then 2y delta is 0.0. Okay, we just give it closing, and we have to give the duration and the delay of the object on this tag. Paste it, and the unit of the time in this case is by millisecond. Okay, so we just apply it to our object, like we have to declare the animation to a variables, like bottom. Okay, the name of variable is free, as you can give name. Okay, and then to animation utils, and then let animation, because we on the activity we just call with this, and then anim, and then bottom. Yes, like bottom. Okay, after that we have to call it to the object what we want. Binding the TP if engine is this object, and then start animation. Bottom. Okay, and then we have to create when the TV unclick, the animation will run. Okay, we have to duplicate it, just duplicate it, and then we have to change it with TV login. This is TV login, and then this is all. Okay, we have to change or reverse it, like this is on the bottom and this is from the top, and then we have to apply the change. Okay, the animation run correctly. Something. Okay, we did that. It's just same because oh, once of our animation have the same value, okay, we just change it and add a negative button. Oh, hmm. Okay, the animation is running correctly. This is from the bottom and this is from the top. Okay, thank you for the nice attention. Have a nice day, and I hope this video is useful for you. And then, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.